I'm so lonely, broken angel. I'm so lonely, listen.
Hello K-popers, and welcome back to my channel. And today we're going to be reacting to BTOB Beat Beat official music video. And side note, I uploaded a video yesterday, I think, or today. I can't remember. I think it was today, this morning, and it kept being partially blocked. So I am sorry if you cannot watch it. I've tried like trimming some of the video, like the music video, out, and that's so I could upload it to YouTube. If YouTube continues to do this, I'll probably just make a Patreon, put it there, or we can go live on Twitch and we can all watch it together, whichever. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, push the post notification bell to be alerted for more videos, and let me know down in the comment section what other videos I should check out, and as well as solo groups, well, solo artists and groups. And what else? I think that's it. Oh, and if you missed it and you weren't able to watch the last video, the reason I can't upload it to YouTube is because I think it's the conflict with NATO. It said something about how it wasn't allowed to be seen or heard in other territories, and those being Belarus and Russia. So if you've been keeping up with political stuff, you already know what's going on. But without further ado, let's get into the music video. Hopefully I can upload this. Like I said, if I can't, I will just make a Patreon, put it there, or go on Twitch. We all watch it together. And I'm also thinking of doing K-dramas on Twitch. I'm not sure yet. I have to figure out how to use Twitch. Oh shoot. Where are the subtitles? And there's no subtitles. Alright. Wait, so is this kind of like how 17 songs are? It's kind of like just like a feel-good song, basically. Also, I'm trying to see the quality. Oh, the quality is good. Okay, never mind. I don't know how to describe this genre. It's just very K-pop-y. I think Huda, aka Minya, is gonna be my favorite, or at least my bias section for me. Yeah. Minya looks so different. They all do, especially E. I can't. I still have not watched the K-drama Golden Spoon. I almost did recently, but I might wait. So that way I can react to it. That was Ilham, Jungkook, Sungjae, Minya. I think I can tell all of them apart now. Y'all can tell me he don't remind you of Sumin, just a little bit. Okay, this is Peniel. This is E. I think this is Ilhyun. Sungjae. Oh, Chongsub. I can't really see that well. Okay, so the only three people I haven't guessed is Changsa, Hyunsik, and I feel like I'm leaving someone out. Wait. Oh, Minhyuk. This is Minhyuk. So this is Hyunsik, and so that must be Changsa. Let me know down in the comments if I got that. This reminds me of how BTS used to dress for their, not debut, well, I forgot what album that is. Not Dark and Wild. What album was that? He just reminds me of Sugar so much. And then he has the same hair color as him that he used to also have. Also, I saw something about how they have their own company. You didn't even tell me that. I feel like a lot of K-pop idols are doing that though. This one's good. Not my fave though. It's just, I don't know. It wasn't my fave. I reacted to it because I know you guys wanted me to see my reaction, and I like maybe the clothing. They were okay. It wasn't my fave. Like, it wasn't my fave song. But it doesn't mean I don't like the group. But the songs that I've been used to hearing, like, it's more vocal wise. I feel like this was just like a party song, basically. Kind of like BTS with the song Fire. Yeah, basically like a feel good song, but eh. And there are some BTS songs that I don't even like, so I'm not just picking on this group specifically. But there are some songs from some groups that I'm just like, not really my fave. Like, if you're trying to recommend me songs based on like EDM or certain genres, I'm not gonna like it. I'm just not. I don't like it. Even though I have listened to some EDM artists before, but it just depends. It really depends. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, push the post notification bell to be alerted for more videos. And if you're mad because I said I don't really care for the song, I'm allowed to have my own opinion, and I don't care. Because I'm not gonna lie to you all and say that I like a song. I wasn't my favorite, but I think this was just the genre of the song that I don't know. Not my fave. But like I said, I love rock songs, rock K-pop. I can name some of my favorite rock solo artists and groups, so that way you guys can get what I mean by the type of songs that I like to listen to. Like I said, I love ATEEZ. Stray Kids is not a rock group, I guess, like somebody told me, but I still like Stray Kids. What other group? The Rose. Dreamcatcher, I've listened to a few of their songs. I do like their songs. I probably need to react to some on here. DPR Eden is my favorite artist right now. I'm gonna start reacting more to him and his music and probably his interviews as well. But I love his music and just his music videos. Like the editing process is insane. But yeah, without further ado, I will see you all next time. I like had a brain fart. Alright, bye.
I'm so lonely, broken angel. I'm so lonely, listen to